Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So if you are going on to the Snapchat and then you need to open any conversation. Okay, and if you try to take a screenshot like this, then the other person will be notified about that you took a screenshot, but you can see that you took a screenshot of chat. Here you can see that. So if you do not want that option, you simply need to go into the Play Store and download an application with the name of ePower Mirror, and then you need to mirror your smartphone onto the screen of your PC, and then you need to record a video or you can take a screenshot in the PC, and then the other person will not be notified about that. So this is the process that is the most suitable for that. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.